What's up, everybody? This is a new project. Yes, it is a quad, and I hate quads. I hate working on them. They're pretty fun to ride sometimes. But we are going to redo this baby. It's been sitting outside for I don't know how long. I'd say a couple years or so. Need some wheel bearings. Wheel bearings are bad in the front. I think the back are decent, but all the tires are flat. The seat is ripped. The plastics are faded. It does have a Yoshimura pipe exhaust, so that's cool. It looks like full exhaust. Well, I don't know. Yeah, I guess maybe it is. And it's got a billet gas cap, K&N air filter. I don't know what else or aftermarket other than these bars that it would have because I'm not a four-wheeler guy. But I took on this challenge because I made a new vapor blaster and this thing is pretty sweet. So I thought, well, I could hit up some parts on here and make it look nice and new. Like all these bolts. Look at that, it's rusted there. So I don't know what we're going to do about some of this stuff. Now, the A-arms and the frame is going to be powder coated. I am not doing the powder coat. I really don't have time to do the powder coating on this one. I'm going to be taking the engine apart and dealing with the plastics and cleaning up these things. It's just going to take that much longer if I got to do the powder coating. So somebody else is going to tackle that. But that's going to be blue, and those are going to be blue. I don't know if they're going to be like a candy blue. If I was going to do it, I was going to do a candy blue. I thought that'd look sweet. The owner wanted blue. But other than that, this Fuller's not too bad. It does crank over. I did not try to start it. It had some really old gas sitting in it. It's got those A-arm plates there too. And got some pretty old gas in it. And that's on, apparently. That's the only way I could get it to drip. And it's just dripping down in there, that can bowl. But it's got some old gas in it. I was wanting to try to fire it up, but I don't really have time for all that. I'm just going to try to strip this thing down tonight and, get it broken down so we can powder coat and all that stuff, which I'm not doing the powder coat on again. I'm just going to clean the motor up and probably put a big bore in this thing and some other things. Probably going to have to mess with the carburetor after the big bore. And the owner said it was kind of sounded sloppy. I don't know about that. Can't really confirm that. So we're going to check the valves, make sure they're in spec. Got the manual here, printed version. Since my PC's in there, can't fit this thing in the shop, and that sucks. But yeah, so I'm going to try to record some progress on this thing. I'm not really going to record what we're doing as far as taking every single thing apart. I would say there's probably numerous videos on the internet that will show you everything you need to do as far as taking things apart, replacing components and things like that. So I'm not really going to cover that. This is really just going to be a coverage of, here it is starting out. It looks rough, really rough. The chain is just, it's set without a hose over the breather cap on the gas tank, the gas cap, breather hose. So I would say all kinds of stuff got down in the gas. I don't know what happened with the carburetor. I've already got wheel bearings, seat cover. I think the seat's good. Just going to put a new cover on it. But yeah, got some broken stuff here. That's the tail light. I don't know if that's a brake light too or just a tail. I don't know. I'm sure somebody's got one or familiar will make a comment. But if anybody knows anything that I might run into with this 400, it's an 06. Please let me know, because I probably would just post some videos on the progress, and that's about it. I've got some other stuff that I've been working on, and it's been a long time since I've done anything with that 85. It's not done. I can't say that I'm still working on it because it's been a minute, but I did finally get a new front wheel for it. Got the front wheel powder coated, got the spokes powder coated, and the hub is ready to go. But in the time that I started the 85, we already redone a 125. I have no footage of that, and it's this one right here. So I don't know. Maybe I'll just put it in another video. But we got a couple things here to show. Alright, like I said, if anybody's got any thoughts or ideas on taking this thing apart, because I have no idea. I'm sure I'll make it through it. I just don't like quads. We're bike people. and I want to get this done so I can have some room in my garage again. And I can't fit it in my shop, so I have to work on it out here. That's another thing I don't like. No climate control out here. It is under a roof, I guess. That's nice. Yeah, so all this dirty, like those rust on the bolts, I'm not dealing with that or that. Yeah, hopefully I can bring that back to new looking. These aren't really like too bad. It's just some spots you can see where, you know, oil ran down or something, and dirt collects up on that. It makes a little stain look. Uh, so, skid plate, I don't know what we're doing about that yet either. So again, just stay tuned to this channel, and we'll show you what we've done start to finish.